Two methods to connect the mullion with the frame or connecting the mullion with the other mullions. The first method, welding method, and the second was mechanical joint method. The first method is welding joint. The mullion will be cut 45 degree. In this method, they are using the cutting saw or some specific machine like mullion cutting saw. Another part, V cutting. So it can be done by V notching cutting saw machine. With the welding machine, can be weld these two parts, and this is how the mullion will connect to the frame. And the second one is mechanical joint. First, the mullion part is required 90 degree cutting, and after that, according to this profile in this section, do some end milling, and then with the mechanical joint, both sides will be just screwing together, and it will be like this. And this is how mechanical joint connecting the mullion with the frame.